Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. It's September of 2025. We have a fully finished Compact 45 with a 27 horse Kohler and a 4MR blower, Suda-built Gardner Denver, 410 CFM. Can put 450 feet of vacuum on this, gets excellent heat. You can do high pressure because the coil system is heavy walled stainless, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, patented design, and it's just really good heat, good suction, simplified design, easy breathe, easy maintenance. As you can see, it's a very well organized unit, all stainless header, stainless flex hose. We use the heavy duty robust hydraulic hoses to give you longevity, and just it's a beautiful setup here. We have our acoustic silencer at the bottom. Easy to get to the shroud on the engine. It's just really easy to maintain and fix. Easy to get to the belts. We have a little cubby right here that is for your 5-gallon container so that when you're driving it doesn't spill all over the place. Plus it gives it a nice, neat, organized look. Got our trademark wings beautifying the front of it. 105-gallon Aquabaron freshwater tank, specially designed for the Compact Series Blue Baron truck mount, and you can see it just beautifully set up. Belt guards, cog belts, all belt driven, will last a long time. We have a regenerative feedback going back into our water box so that we utilize all the heated water and maintain circulation to give you good temperature regulation. We're going to be putting on the pump station. Next day or so, we'll have a pump station on here. I will have another video showing the operation, the overall maintenance of the unit and performance. 27 horse Kohler has a 1 7/16 crankshaft and 4.29 inches long, so it's just a really heavy duty crankshaft that will definitely last a long time. Kohler engines are the top of the line. They're very expensive, but they're at that price for a reason, because they've been out there for so long. They can withstand a lot of punishment, a lot of heat. And as you can see, full instrument panel, temperature gauge, pressure gauge, vacuum gauge, tachometer, an hour meter, a rotary switch to turn on your 12 volts. We'll have 12 volts hooked up automatically to the pump station, along with filtration and a retention tank to so that you're not cycling too much. So it'll be attached to the inlet here on a quick connect. Just a really beautifully engineered unit. It's got the thermostat. We got directions here on how to start it up, how to close it down and shut it down. Just everything is here. You got your high out. You got your WD-40 port to protect your lobes on your blower inlet. And for your water connection, also can come from a spigot as well if you decide not to use your fresh water tank. Then you've got this here for your high out thermal relief, so that when that solenoid on the tank turns on, that light will go on. And when the cold water comes in and passes over your probe capillary, which is located here, we have a tweaker here, a nice heavy duty, all stainless tweaker that allows the circulation, so you get true signals here, accurate heat signals, because you don't want to have a long dump cycle where you're dumping water into your fresh water or your recovery tank. Depends on where you want it set up. A lot of times it goes right into your recovery. In this case, it's going into your recovery tank. JIC, well, basically this is ball seat, 1/4, very heavy duty, high pressured hoses, 4,000 PSI rated, so when it goes in, it can withstand the heat and durability. It's got durability all the way through. I mean, look at these pressure hoses, just everything is just nicely put together. All stainless header, all TIG welded, really rugged. We build a lot of those. This access point heat exchanger has a coil system that can withstand 3,500 pounds in excess of that. We even go 10% beyond that. But typically, a lot of our units, high flow rate units with a 5.5 pumps on the 47 XL can do over 3,000, up to 3,000 pounds pressure, working pressure. So the heat is great because the coil system is set up in a parallel arrangement. Look us up on Google Patents. This has been out here for a long, long time. We actually produce an aftermarket. We've sold to John Donne and many other places and end users for the ProChem aftermarket plug-in heat exchanger. Same size, but we adapt the correct spacing for the brackets as well as the inlet coming off the diverter. But this has been a very well-known heat exchanger across the world, for that matter. So we do all kinds of heat exchangers, coolant style heat exchangers. So we're in for the longevity. We're in here for the long haul. That's what we're all about. And so you'll enjoy using our units. They're really nicely priced. Because we're factory, we can afford to do that. As you can see, we got the Economy 36s. Those two are almost done. Just really a nice array of accessories. We build the tanks, and they're 3/16 thick. This is a 3/16 thick water tank, 105 gallons. So you've got a lot of sturdiness to it. Our bracket system changes a little bit as we get into the SE series, which is a more box-shaped, which would be more in that family of frame, and where the feet are spread out to about 30 inches versus 20 and a quarter. But, you know, we changed the depth a little bit. But other than that, if you're interested in seeing one of our demonstrations, just call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up online, 24/7 website at truckmountstore.com 24/7. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.